right, go ahead, take a deep breath in and breathe out.
Wow, people think some crazy things about chiropractic adjustments. So let's set something straight. We're using our hands or special tools to provide precise, simple, and painless motion into the parts of the spine that need the motion the most. Because our brain communicates with our entire body through our nervous system, which runs through the spine. And the second that communication is interrupted because the spine's not moving the way it should, then that's a problem. And we start experiencing all kinds of things like pain, discomfort, digestive issues, stress, anxiety, and the list goes on. So if you're dealing with any of these problems, then click the link below, and that way you can find out how a chiropractic adjustment can help your body allow you to perform at its ultimate potential, the way it was intended.